Piny Tanzania kama Piny Tanzania ochako gero ohala marorofa 27 e boma Nairobi. Odno biro nywando kanyakla apise opogore mag piny owachono kanyakla kod mbetre margi. Jatend jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi otelo nyasi mar yawo kendo chiwo od ohala no koyango ni odno en mano midhi ti gode nyayo ohala kind piny mar Tanzania kod piny mar Kenya. Jametre ma piny mar Tanzania mapacho ka Januari Makamba wacho ni apisno dhi konyogi e omenda modhuro mag chulo ne apise mag chenrogi opogore pacho ka komeo ne gibiro bende chiwo thuolo mag apise ne jomoko gino makoro biro miyogi yuto.
Facility will serve as an abode for showcasing the vast investment and trade potential for our region. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the United Republic of Tanzania for the mark of confidence and to prove that Kenya is open and available for investments.
As we lay the foundation for this new venture, I am confident that it will become a symbol of our collective determination towards growth of commerce and investment as drivers of sustainable development and prosperity. Together, let us seize this opportunity to unlock new avenues of trade for our countries and peoples.
We are here to make a very bold statement as a country that we want to be in Nairobi, we want to be in Kenya, and we want to be here for good. And we see this country as a safe place to be, a safe place to invest. We are communicating to the world that Tanzania and Kenya are not just neighbors. We are more than neighbors. We are brothers and sisters.